So, hey guys, I'm here with my little baby chick. Sorry if you can't see him. He thought that his sister died. But there he is. So cute. He's on me right now. So, my little brother dropped his sister. And then, we put her back in the Nike box. And that was our home for the night yesterday. Sorry. It really tickles. And if he tweaks, that means he's crying. He's crying because his sister, he thinks that she's dead, but she's actually not. She was actually sleepwalking in the box. I was like, how can a bird do that? If you guys want to see him, he's right there. So yeah, if it comes back alive, I can name it Synonym, I think, and then and then we can name the boy another name. Comment down below what name we should name it. And I love him. He's the fast one. I wanted to name him Flash, but my sister was all like, nah. So comment down below. I need a bunch of names, and you guys might be the lucky one. I'll give you a shout out. So yeah. Bye. Just a short video about my new little pig. Oh, he's embarrassed. So bye guys. See you later.